Millions of people sprain their ankle every year, and most don't rehab it properly. That leads to chronic pain, stiffness, and an ankle that just doesn't feel right. But what if you could fix it with just a few minutes a day? In today's video, we'll show you a step-by-step recovery routine trusted by physiotherapists and athletes alike. If you're tired of limping, wobbling, or living in fear of the next misstep, this is for you. The journey to pain-free walking starts with gentle motion. Begin by circling your ankle slowly, 10 times clockwise, then counterclockwise. Next, try towel scrunches with your toes to reactivate stabilizing muscles. Then move on to resistance band exercises, point and flex, side to side, building strength and balance. Now, let's challenge your ankle with a single leg stand. Hold for 30 seconds. Finally, step-ups, controlled movements on a low step to rebuild coordination and confidence. These 5 exercises, done daily, promote healing, reduce swelling, and restore stability. It's not just about recovery, it's about getting your stride back. So don't wait for pain to become permanent. Commit to this routine and give your ankle the strength to walk tall again. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to move pain-free.